I got it, Dad! Dad?
Good morning, sir. What may I do for you today?
You know how in the movies they ask you not to panic when the bank is being robbed?
Beg your pardon?
Well, don't panic, okay?
Wolf! Wolf! Wolf!
Robert, I think what you're looking for is this.
What?
I like a challenge, Robert. Now, if you'll kindly take me to the bank vault, I'd be most delighted.
Definitely lock you into that room.
I don't have the vault code.
It's okay.
They change it every morning.
You've done enough. Much obliged. Now get lost! Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Mr. Wolf. Hey! I'm talking to you. Get a little closer. I said closer. Oh, I know what it is. You're afraid because I'm a big scary wolf, huh? A monster with huge pointy claws and razor-sharp teeth that can rip a body to shreds. I don't blame you. All that monster claw teeth stuff is, well, kind of what wolves are known for. We're always eating grandmas, trying to blow pigs' houses down, tearing shepherds to shreds. Honestly, I don't even like grandmas. They're a bit gamey. Point is, when you're the villain of every story, you grow up thinking it's your only career option.
Calling all units, all units. We have a 1065 downtown.
Seems to be the city's latest bank robbery.
I can't confirm that.
All units to the big bank downtown. It is being robbed. I repeat, it is being robbed.
Wolf, we've got the bank surrounded. There's no way out. We can do this the easy way or the hard way. But there's only one way out. Jail.
Chief, I thought you said there was, and I quote, no way out.
Behind the police line, Fluffit. All right.
It's crime time, baby.
It's about time. I expect a level of professionalism here.
I finally got you, Wolf.
You can't blame me for trying.
Now, where's that reporter?
Move out of the way, uniforms. FBI, we're taking over.
Not again. Oh.
Hey, I don't make the rules. I just love them.
Watch the fur, buddy.
Did you really think you were going to get away with this, Wolf?
If I'm being honest, yeah. Hey! Why so rough with the cuffs, man?
Wolf, I'm so sorry. You know how I get when I improv?
Oh, and I almost forgot. This is Mr. Sharp. Don't let those rows of razor-sharp teeth fool you. He's a gentle soul, a deep thinker.
When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be.
Still waters run deep, and all that. I couldn't have a better crew.
Yes, Tiffany, the city is safe, thanks to me and the entire police force. But a lot of it was me.
Move out of the way, uniforms.
FBI, we're taking over.
Can we cut?
I hate it when there's no chase.
Bad guys!
Oh, yeah, that's right. Webb's hit.
Being good is hard.
I've never been so body shamed.
Tooth shame.
He folded my fin, man. He folded it like origami.
You know what? I'm tired of this farce, Wolf. This was a mistake.
Sure, it's been challenging, but no one said it was going to be a vacation.
Those were your exact words. This was supposed to be a con, but as far as I can see, we're the suckers.
Whoa, buddy.
Well, not anymore.
What are you doing?
You promised me I could eat a guinea pig, and I'm gonna eat a guinea pig.
That's not the plan? What about the dolphin, the gala, the snake? I thought we were all on the same page.
We were. Now I'm on a different page. Snake attack.
Still, 2 weeks isn't much time, Professor, after years of reckless criminal behavior.
Are you okay, Diane? It's the vegan foie gras not to your liking.
You'll have to excuse me. I just remembered. I should call the chief of police.
It's the foie gras, isn't it? I knew it. I can fire my chef.
You couldn't help yourself.
So I had a moment of weakness. Sue me.
That's going to be difficult to do from prison.
Professor Marmalade? Marmalade! Professor Marmalade! Professor Marmalade! Professor Marmalade, sir? Would you sign my book of top secret nuclear codes? Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you!
Yes, sir. It really was an honor to have you. I hope you'll visit us again.
My pleasure. It's a lovely secret military base, and I really enjoyed the tour. But I'd hate to leave without making sure I see everything.
Everything? What do you mean?
I was thinking more like something like extra secret, like, just spitballing here. A meteorite? Say, the one that created the love crater?
I love the love crater. It's shaped like a heart.
Yes, we all love it, which is why I ask, out of love.
Gentlemen, need I remind you, Professor Marmalade is the recipient of the Good Samaritan Awards. Besides, what's the harm? I mean, just look at him.
Oh! Can I please squeeze that cheek? Please?
You get one squeeze, but first, the meteorite.
We can neither confirm nor deny a meteorite, but if we did have one, it would be over there.
Over there? That looks like high security.
Oh, you have no idea. Like, if this is regular high security, then this is where we are with a meteorite. I mean, if we had one that caused the love crater that we've been secretly storing here. What? I said if. Doesn't matter anyway. Ain't nobody getting in there.
Good. You can never be too careful with meteorites.
Ladies and gentlemen, the good guys.
Wait. Look, what is this?
Oh my, it appears to be a wallet filled with valuables.
A wallet filled with valuables?
Let us give it to the authorities so that it can be returned to its rightful owner.
Ta-da! You can't fake that. And that's not all. Say goodbye to your phobias. You'll want to invite this two-legged arachnid to your next tea party.
Oh, darling. The weather is rather pleasant in the Hamptons today.
He used to be the terror of the sea, but now he's as docile as a dolphin. Someone save me from drowning. Stop right there.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! I got it, Dad! Dad? Oh no! Not again!